So follow these steps to easily configure your TP-Link router. This is a TP-Link router. You can easily follow these steps. There's a reset button at the back of it, as you can see from the video. We are resetting the TP-Link router. As you press the button for 30 seconds, 20 seconds, you hold on for it to reset. And now we'll insert the LAN cable to any of the ports from the port 1 to 4 on the router there. Then we insert the LAN cable to our PC. Once you are done with that, you quickly go to your browser and launch your browser. As you can see, the TP-Link is connected and that's the default setting. So we want to quickly get the IP, which is the default IP to log in. Click on there, and here we are. 192.168.1.1 is the default IP for this router, and this is how to go about it to easily get your default IP gateway for any router. Now with that gateway, we launch our browser, the Chrome browser, and we type it on our menu bar there, 192.168.1.1, and you press the enter key. Now we are the default login for this TP-Link is admin for the username, and the password is admin. So we'll just try to set up a IP and a password for it, which is the admin which we are using for the purpose of this class. Now you save and it takes you to the quick setup page. Now you just follow the steps. This router will be selecting the router mode because the purpose for this is to set up the TP-Link router to serve as a router. You click OK. Now we have the dynamic IP, we have the static IP, and the other options are available there. We'll be using the dynamic IP for the purpose of this class. I'll click on next. Do not clone. Next. And we are here in the wireless setup. Now I'll give it a name, Amazon Tech, and a password of my choice, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. I'll click on next. I'll just leave it to be like that here. I'll say save. Now you wait for it to save your setting. Allow it to load, and the router will quickly reboot and bring you back to the login page. Now with the password we have used, we'll quickly enter the password here. And click on the login. Now this is how to quickly set up your TP-Link router. Now for someone who has an IP from your service provider, a given IP from your service provider, a special IP from your service provider for the configuration, you can easily come back to the internet and select the static IP where you input your static IP. We're using 172.16.5.12 as the IP provided from the service provider, and the gateway will be 172.16.0.1. And for the DNS server, that's the domain name server, the primary and the secondary will be using .8.8.8 and .8.8.4.4, and you click on save. Now with that, you have set your router on a static IP, and you can view your summary page here where you have every details that you have saved. As you can see from the screen, and that's our wireless name there. Now you can easily come back to the wireless settings, and if you intend to change the name, give it a different name, you can still go ahead to do that. Now that's our wireless name. We have the Amazon tag there showing that, means we have successfully changed the name, and the password is still there. So we'll still go back to set it on the dynamic for the purpose of this class, meaning that the router automatically detects an IP from the ISP. So we click on save, and the router will automatically pick an IP from the ISP. And we'll quickly, when you're done with your setting, you reboot your router, and your router is successfully set up to pick up the IP from the ISP. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe, share, and like this video. We look forward to more videos we'll be dropping soon.